Okay, today we're changing the tire on a Big Cat, Fat Cat XL ride assist bike. There is the other one. We'll take you to one that's whole so I can show you the gist right here. See, on this one, oh wait, forgot, this one's different. You got these ties on the other, they got these ties on the other bike. They were zip ties. You clip those or disconnect these in this case, and then you have a quick connect right here that pops loose. Pull this off, you have your nut. That wire will stay in the nut, it don't come out. That's your drive wire. I said it disconnects over here. Take that out, you loosen that nut, you loosen this nut, you loosen this, take it out. Careful, don't lose it. That holds your drive all the way together. Make sure you know what gear you're in whenever you start taking it apart. Always try to roll it to the bottom. You take this out, take this off, take this out. This piece will come out. Is that piece right there is looped in. You have to undo that Allen to get it out. Then you loosen the bolts. You remove this piece right here, your guide, and then after you get that out of the way, you can slowly hit it with a rubber mallet or whatever you want to use to get it up out of there. And this is it right here. See, your wire, you've got the quick connect, stays inside, and it's really just a normal bike tire change, except for having the drive wire and the disconnect. Like I said, on this one, the disconnect is on the right side, and on the bike over here, it's on the left side. But yeah, once you get it apart and everything, you just drop it back in, put your guide back on, remember what gear you're in, and that's it. This is the hard part, changing the tire. You ain't got a brake spoon, you can get by with a pry bar and stuff like that. But that's what I'm about to do. All right, y'all have a good day.